still. I'll wake you tomorrow, and you will be my fill. Yes, you will be my fill, my lady the banjo. Why do you grieve me so? Your heart seems so silent. Why do you breathe so low? Why do you breathe so low? My lady the banjo. Why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you'll be my fill. Yes, you'll be my fill. My lady the banjo. You look so cold tonight. Your lips feel like winter. Your skin has turned to white. Your skin has turned to white. My lady the banjo. Why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you'll be my fill. Yes, you'll be my fill. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another hopefully interesting guitar lesson. This is a classic oldie from Cat Stevens, Lady da Banville, okay. Standard tuning and no capos, okay, doing it the same key as Cat Stevens originally put the song out on, okay. So let's get to it. So the first part of the song is this little piece. Which is, I think, played on a 12 string, I'm not sure, or two guitars, I'm not sure, but it sounds a little bit more than one guitar on my ears. But what I make it's probably not exactly the same, but what I make is playing is starting off on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, okay, 2nd string open, top E string open, okay, bum, bum, bum. Then we go to the bottom E string open, then the 2nd string open, top E string open, 2nd string open. Okay, so now we've got this. Sorry, let's do it again. Okay, do it again for you. And then finally, 2nd on the 4th, 2nd string open, B string, and top E string open. Okay, so the whole thing now is this. And you do it twice, okay? So do it again. Okay, and when you speed it up, practice that, speed it up, it sounds a little bit more like the real thing. Okay, that sort of thing. Okay, right, then we go into the song and he comes in with my lady da pill, and then we go to this double stop piece, okay? Okay, that. Okay, so I'm doing a double stop on the 7th fret, on the 3rd string and top E string, fretted on with my 2nd finger and 3rd finger, okay, 7th fret, 3rd string and top E string. My pick is playing the 3rd string and my finger is plucking the top E string, 2 notes together. Okay, so and you play 2 notes, 2 lots on that one. Down, move this whole complete shape down 2 frets to the 5th fret and repeat. Just 1 hit on that one. So, okay, then we go down to the 3rd shape, which is a 1st finger, 3rd fret, top E string, and 2nd finger is playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Okay, so 1 hit on that and back to the one on the 5th fret, to double stop on the 5th fret. Okay, so okay, got that. So my Lady d'Arbanville. Okay, why do you sleep so still? And the second phrase is 2 hits on the one on the 5th, one on the 7th, back to the 5th, and ending up on the one on the 1st string on the 3rd fret. Okay, so that one is. Okay, so my Lady d'Arbanville, why do you sleep so still? Okay, and then the third one is exactly the same as the first one. I'll wake you tomorrow, 2 hits on the 7th, 1 on the 5th, 1 on the 4th, and 1 on the 5th again. Okay, so the whole thing. My Lady d'Arbanville, why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you will be my B minor, 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape, B minor. Phil, yes, you will be my E minor strum. Nice bright strum. Okay, so the whole intro. Okay, so let's see if we can play the whole thing slowly-ish. Let's try that again. I just lost my concentration there. My Lady d'Arbanville, why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you will be my Phil. Yes, you will be my Phil. Okay, got that? Right, that's the intro and the first verse sorted out basically. Right, and go to the next verse, okay? And it's My Lady d'Arbanville, and it's got the optional thumping on this bit if you want it. It's on the record. So on Lady, my Lady d'Arbanville, you go bum ba bum bum ba bum. Okay, my Lady d'Arbanville. Okay, then we come in with this chord, quick chord change sequence. Okay, and it's E minor to D, E minor to D. Okay, quite a nice quick change for you there. Okay, so my Lady d'Arbanville. Okay, got that? My Lady d'Arbanville, why do you grieve me so? And the second quick change is the same thing but backwards. D, E minor, D, E minor. Okay? Ba, 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 ba. Okay? So now we've got this. My Lady d'Arbanville, why do you grieve me so? Your heart seems so silent. First one again. Why do you breathe so? B minor. Oh. Why do you breathe so? E minor strum. Oh. Got it? So the first phrase is E minor, D, E minor, D. The second phrase is D, E minor, D, E minor. And the third phrase is E minor, D, E minor, D. Okay? So, from the beginning of the song, let's do the whole thing. Okay? My Lady d'Arbanville, why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you will be my Phil. Yes, you'll be my Phil. My Lady d'Arbanville, why does it grieve me so? Your heart seems so silent. Why do you breathe so low? Why do you breathe so low? Right, now we come to the third verse, and every third verse is slightly different. It starts off the same. My lady de Banville, ba, 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 ba. Why do you sleep so still? Right, this is where it changes. I'll wake you tomorrow. On morrow, it goes to a G chord. Right, so it goes. Lady de Banville, ba 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 ba. Why do you sleep so still? Ba 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 ba. I'll wake you tomorrow. And you go G D G D. You will be my E B minor fill. You will be my E minor fill. Okay, so a little bit more in that one. Every third verse seems to have this G in it. Okay, so beware. But you could play them all the same. I don't think anyone would notice, to be honest with you. But that's the way they play it. Okay. Okay. So let's just do this third verse again. My lady de Banville, right? Why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow. You'll be my fill, and you'll be my fill. Okay. Also, at the end of each third verse, there's a guitar riff on the end of the E minor. So that sort of thing, right? It's quite quick. And the nearest I could get to it is something like this. If you want to play it, you could leave it out. No one will probably notice. But open 5th string to 2nd fret hammer. Okay? And then go to the 4th string and do the same. Hammer open to 2nd fret. So far. 3rd string open. Then go to the 2nd on the 4th again. Fret it and pull off. So now you've got this. Okay. Alright, and then we do another hammer on the 5th string up to the 2nd fret. Another hammer from open to 2nd on the 4th. And then an E minor strum. Okay, so let's try and do that in one hit. Okay, something like that. If you speed that up, you get something like what's on the record, I believe. Right? Something like that. You get the idea, don't you? Practice makes perfect. Okay, so you do 2 of those little riffs, and then you're back to the normal verse without the G. Okay, so you come out of that. Let's do the 3rd verse, and I'll show you. The following 2 verses are normal. Okay, without the G. Okay, so let's go to the 3rd verse again. My lady de Banville, why do you sleep so still? Let's do it. Sorry, I've lost my concentration again. Here we go. My lady de Banville, right, my lady de Banville, why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you'll be my friend, 'cause you'll be my lady de Banville, and so on. And then the next verses are exactly the same as the first few verses we played. Okay, and that's all I can show you really. It just repeats more of the same. Okay, so we'll just go through my demo again. Okay, so it's intro, the double stop bit, first verse, 2nd verse, and then the verse with the G in it, okay, and the riff. Okay, so here we go. Right, so here we go. My lady de Banville, why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you will be my fill. Yes, you will be my lady de Banville. Why do you grieve me so? Your heart seems so silent. Why do you grieve so low? Why do you grieve so low? My lady de Banville. Why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you'll be my fill, and you'll be my fill. My lady de Banville. I've lost the drumming. My lady de Banville. Like winter, your skin's turned to white, your skin has turned to white. My lady de Banville, why did you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you'll be my fill, yes, you'll be my. And there you have it, that's as close as I can get. Thanks very much indeed for watching, hope that helps you play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.